Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 66. Islamabad colon, the Prime Minister's Inspection Commission has asked the government to introduce a proper mechanism for metering, measurement and quantification of gas supply, including from domestic fields and imports, to end consumers so as to minimize billions of rupees loss to the nation, full stop. In an investigation into natural gas losses, the PMIC said Pakistan's gas losses officially ranged between 13 to 15%, compared to 0.5 to 5% across the world due to incorrect or no measurement of gas and lack of commitment by stakeholders, including exploration and production and distribution firms, to accurately and fully reconcile a system, gas inputs and outputs, full stop. It is a simple accounting of what goes into and comes out of the system, full stop. New paragraph. Losses are present in the entire supply chain at much higher level, which are partially allowed legally and partially covered through deliberately confusing metering and unit conversion formulae, said the PMIC, full stop. Gas wellhead metering of raw gas has been absent at majority of fields, full stop. This is a serious issue as the reservoir production remains unmetered and thus upstream regulator, the Directorate General of Petroleum Concessions, remains oblivious to the gas flare quantities, leakages, wastages, internal consumptions at processing plants and wellhead gathering pipelines, the PMIC reported to the Prime Minister, full stop. New para. The same is the case for regasification of gas imports, where gas lost or used in regasification terminals remains a mystery even after 4 years of RLNG operations, full stop. Non-existence of energy reconciliation across each component of gas supply chain renders the entire gas supply chain free to waste at will, naturally to the detriment of a country that is already reeling from numerous economic challenges, full stop. New paragraph. The report said the Ministry of Energy has always acted to protect commercial interests of gas utilities and facilitated approvals of policy guidelines related to losses from the ECC of the cabinet, which were against OGRA law in the context of efficiency and protection of consumer interests, full stop. The role of OGRA, the report said, had far below the conduct expected from an independent and prudent regulator, full stop. It has caused significant confusion through formulation of rules and decision making which are contradictory to each other, full stop. Also, the role of DGPC for upstream sector efficiency and loss control was realized for the first time in June 2017 with identification of anomalies at 5 gas fields, full stop. However, corrective efforts were mysteriously and abruptly stopped in December 2017, the PMIC said, full stop. New paragraph. The data presented by DGPC during PMIC members' visits to various gas fields revealed that wellhead metering was either erratic or completely missing, full stop. None of the fields visited were found to be doing any energy reconciliation across the processing plant and thus cannot justify prudent and efficient plant operations, full stop. A major factor causing increasing Uncertainty in determination of accurate gas loss quantity is volumetric reconciliation of gas input and output for utility transportation system. Full stop. New paragraph. Despite the change in gas billing from volumetric million cubic meter feet to energy million British thermal unit at the beginning of the century, both gas utilities have not adopted energy reconciliation, thus unaccounted for gas is still calculated by volumetric reconciliation, which is incorrect, the PMIC held full stop. In response to questions by PMIC regarding measurement of wellhead production, plant use gas, at gas fields, the DGPC did not provide any comments but simply forwarded responses received from companies. Full stop. The DGPC also did not provide any current status of wellhead measurement inspection exercise that was started in June 2017 and abandoned in December of that year as the Director General of Petroleum Concessions took over as the chief of the DGPC. Full stop. The current data received from companies indicated that wellhead metering as well as flare gas metering is still absent at numerous gas fields with significantly high values of gas internally consumed without any justification. Full stop. New paragraph. Regarding indigenous gas producers, responses received from gas producers through the DGPC indicate that wellhead gas, flare gas, GIC, etc. are not measured on the basis of a policy guideline issued by the DGPC. Full stop. Rather, it is a decision made by the company itself to measure or estimate a certain quantity and then prepare material balance or energy balance accordingly. Full stop. As such quantum of loss cannot be identified. Full stop. New paragraph. The PMIC stressed the need for measurement of wellhead production, flare gas and GIC at gas processing plant. Full stop. This in background that OGDCL's Kadripur field alone has been responsible for flaring of 60 to 70 million cubic feet gas per day for more than 10 years. Full stop. With a conservative estimate, this loss amounts to 700 million rupees 120 billion at current exchange rate without considering environmental loss. Full stop. Fiscal years 2016 to 17 witnessed 109 billion cubic feet of pipeline quality gas worth rupees 40 billion, about 12% of total gas purchased by two utilities, disappearing while being transported from processed gas delivery points to consumers. Full stop. In terms of an equivalent quantity of imported RLNG at the rate of $10 per MMBTU, this loss is worth $1.2 billion, about rupees 200 billion. Full stop. New para. The PMIC recommended immediate steps to address the national loss. Full stop. It demanded use of flow computers and measurement of GCV, gross calorific value, in distribution systems, use of standardized forms for joint meter calibration and reconciliation. Reports. Full stop. Also, it called for immediate and periodical finalization of quantification data of all gas theft, losses with recognition of geographical locations based on measured data, full stop. It also wanted the DGPC, DG Gas and OGRA to closely monitor implementation of metering based energy reconciliation of gas at RLNG terminals, wellhead gathering lines and processing plants, transmission pipelines and segmented distribution regions, full stop.